electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Boost the fun of your next adventure with the M2S Bikes All-Terrain, an electric fat bike designed to handle anything you can throw at it. From sand to snow to streets, this is a bike that is perfect for all seasons and all terrain. The All-Terrain comes packed with power thanks to the 750-watt rear hub motor that makes climbing hills and reaching speeds of over 25 miles per hour easier than ever. The hydraulic disc brakes offer fast stopping power, while the 8-speed Shimano gear set and derailleur makes shifting between gears smooth and easy. The integrated 17 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting power, so you can make the most of your adventure and tackle rides of up to 50 miles per charge on pedal assist mode. Don't feel like pedaling or just want an extra boost up a steep climb? Hit the throttle and take advantage of the high torque motor and enjoy riding for up to 20 miles at speeds of around 20 miles per hour on throttle-only mode. The All-Terrain comes stock with extra-large 4.5-inch Fended Juggernaut tires, hydraulic disc brakes with brake-activated motor cutoff technology, and a Spaninga LED light. Rest easy knowing that the bikes are covered by limited 2-year warranties that cover the motors, frames, and battery packs, as well as excellent customer service throughout the life of your bike. Optional add-on items include front and rear racks with water-resistant bags, a tow-behind adventure trailer, and lightweight fenders that can be easily added or removed depending on weather and riding conditions. The manufacturing process for the All-Terrain is currently underway, and these bikes will begin shipping in late October 2016. Pre-order your bike today to lock in a special discounted pricing that's over 25% off full retail, and start your electric bike adventure with M2S Bikes.
Cycling is one of life's great joys. It's a fast, fun, and free way to get around.
I just love the way you feel when you're on your bike and you're just riding and there's like the wind in your face and it's just, you feel so free.
But finding your way from A to B hasn't always been easy.
And I remember one of the first times I cycled to a new job, I just got lost and it was just really embarrassing to have to get off my bike, look at my phone and try and like find where I was going.
I just want to feel safe when I'm cycling, and I just want to know how to get there.
Blubel is a sat-nav and a bicycle bell that learns from the cycling community to find the safest routes. It's like having an expert guide you wherever you go. Blubel connects to an app on your smartphone, so just type in where you want to go and Blubel navigates you every turn. It also points to your final destination, so you'll never lose your bearings.
It's really handy having something to point you in the right direction of where you're trying to go.
If you've made a wrong turn, Blubel automatically recalculates your journey, so there's no need to check your phone for directions. The Blubel app tracks your fitness and performance, and it even remembers where you left your bike.
I didn't want to just make a slick cycling gadget. I actually wanted to create a community that can engage and communicate together to find safer journeys. And one of the things I kept thinking about was, well, what if every time somebody rang a bicycle bell, we would be able to use that data to find safer routes? And that's really how Blubel came about. It was actually a Bluetooth bell, hence Blubel. I decided to take up Arduino and play around with the electronic side of it myself, simply because I wanted to kind of try it out as I was developing it to make sure that the actual interface is as effective and intuitive as possible. If you're on your bike, you want to have your eyes on the road. So we've got a little buzzer in the device so that just before you're coming up to a turn, it will ping you a message and you can look down and see where you actually need to go. We worked with mechanical engineers to develop the attachment mechanism to make sure that it's secure, that the Blubel doesn't move around, but at the same time it's very easy to take it out.